Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Kryptonite from Drip to Wealth, and I am up kind of late in the evening. Not too late, but late enough. And I'm looking for some spare change because I've got this active stake at Warren.Finance, the latest protocol on the post-chain network that in my estimation will crush it. But we'll get to that. I've got this active bond and I need to stake it. And here's why I want to hurry up and stake it. If you click on the staking tab, you'll notice that the daily income is at 2.36%. Notice I said daily, that's every 24 hours, and it's likely going to go up. The base rate starts at 2%. The base starts at 2%. And then there's 3 different bonuses that you can earn. You've got this liquidity bonus. Let's click on that. What does it say? For every 4 million? Yeah, that's 4 million. 4,287,612 DAI wrap PLS LPs that is added to the liquidity pool. You can earn an additional yield of 0.1%. There's a hold bonus. If you don't claim or sell within 24 hours, you'll receive an additional 0.05%. But wait, there's more. Personal bonus. For every 153,129, let's say that again. For every 153,129 DAI wrap PLS LPs that you add, you'll earn an additional 0.05%. You understand why I'm saying I want to hurry up and get this stake form so I can go to bed and let my money start working overtime for me? I want my money working while I sleep. I don't want to be working. I want the money working for me. So let's get to it. So let's go back to the bond. What did we say? We need 49,831 additional DAI wrap PLS. I've got 39,022 in my wallet. All right, so let's go over to spreadsheet. 39,022. My bond is at 49,831. 49,831. So I'm short 10,809. We're gonna go ahead and round that up to 11,000. All right, let's get the price of Warren. So right here at the top of the screen, you can see the total liquidity is 452,995.66 it changed on us, which is insane because it's been less than 72 hours and they're knocking on the door of $500,000. That's impressive, right? But while we're here, let's grab this Warren price. Got it. Copy that, go back over to my spreadsheet. We're gonna paste that in. Let's show some of those decimals here. All right, so it looks like the 11,000 DAI wrap PLS Warren tokens I'm short times the Warren price of 0.01485 says I need $163.35 of PLS. Again, we're gonna go ahead and round that up to, let's do $170. All right. So PLS, I need $170 of PLS. Let's head over to Coin Market Cap. Search for PLS. It's typically saved. All right, got it. We'll scroll down and convert the PLS to USD. So we said we need $170 rounded up. So here's my PLS number, this guy right here. Let's go ahead and copy that. Head back over to my spreadsheet. All right. I need 3,101,086 PLS tokens in order for me to get my wrapped PLS die LP. All right. So let's do this. Let's go back to that. 3,102,000. We'll round up. All right. So if we head back over to Warren, the bond tab, you'll notice that there's Zap LP. You click on that, it allows you to convert any of these tokens, PLS, DAI, HEX, PLSX, WRAP BTC, into the DAI WRAP PLS LP. So we said we needed 3,102,000. 3,102,000 rounded up. So basically the $170, right? So there it is. So let's go ahead and hit Zap. And let's go ahead and approve, confirm the transaction. Transaction submitted. Let's see if my balance changes. Transaction confirmed. Okay, boom, there we are. We're at 50,375. Cool. Let's do this. Let's head over to stake. Select bonds. Select the active bond. Boom. It automatically told me how many DAI WRAP PLS LPs I need. 49,837. I've got at least 50,000 in my wallet, so I've got enough to cover it. So let's go ahead and hit approve. I'm gonna leave it at the max. Hit next. Approve. Transaction submitted. Transaction confirmed. Okay, cool. So now that I have approved it, looks like I need to stake a bond. Let's go ahead and confirm it. Transaction submitted. And we'll be able to scroll down. And I'm guessing, there it is, the active stake will appear. And I believe it's the very top one, the 99,664.56. Wonderful. So my total bonds staked are 200,627. Maximum staking income is 175%. Do you understand why I was searching for some spare change tonight? Right now, this is obviously before I added that last stake. I've got available Warren tokens of 1,105, which is equivalent to $16.51. Again, do you understand why I was searching late at night for some spare change to go ahead and create this stake? It's constantly going up as I'm talking to you. But look, I don't want to keep you up too late. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to leave my referral link in the description. If you have any questions, follow me on my Telegram, which is Drip to Wealth. I'll be more than happy to get you through it. All right. In the meantime, I wish you all peace and prosperity. Stay hydrated. We out.